Hi guys, very good evening. Hope you all are having a very pleasant evenings. Correct. I am Rahul Bhatia, the founder director of PHR Restaurant Consultant and Management. Correct. Coming today to give you a great knowledge session, right, on how the restaurant brands can expand using the shared kitchen networks. It is a very popular topic these days, right? How the brands can expand, right, using the shared kitchen networks. Correct. So today I will be taking you to the few insights which I can quickly share, right, in this video, so you all guys can understand how the brands can expand through it. Correct. So hope you all guys will take the pen and paper with you all, right, so you can quickly note down, right. Few things I can definitely cover in this things, right, not much, but definitely the few valuable insights can be very helpful for you all guys to understand how the restaurant brands can expand, right, using the shared kitchen networks, which is a tremendous business opportunities. Correct. So first point which I would like to discuss, right, with you all guys, right, many people don't know what is shared kitchen, so I would like to clarify that also, right. See, shared kitchen is a space, right, where many restaurant brands operates under the one common kitchen space. Correct. So with that they have the tremendous business opportunities, right, since they all share their cost. Correct. So it helps a lot for a brand, right, so who wants to expand. Correct. So that's the co-working shared kitchen spaces, right. So coming quickly to the points which are of very benefit for a restaurant brands to consider this opportunity a great in these times and in future too, because prospects of delivery business, right, in India are rising on a day by day. Huge delivery market is also popping up simultaneously, so it's a good momentum, right, so everyone can be take a part of this opportunity. Correct. So quickly, the first points which comes to over here in a shared kitchen space is a low rental cost, right. Brands today, right, face very high rental cost, right, which if you expand through a shared kitchen network, correct, comes down drastically. It comes down 80% down, right. So you get the better profitability since you are operating the brands with a very less rental cost, right, and thereby increasing your margins, your profit, right, through these networks of opportunity. Correct. So you can write down that. Correct. Second point which is very important for the brands, it's a capital, right. This opportunity, shared kitchen networks, comes with a capital less expenditure. Correct. There is very minimalistic expenditure required for a brand to spend, right, if they want to expand through this network of kitchens. Correct. And the beauty of this concept is that, right, you can scale up the brands, right, with very less expenditure, right, in multiple locations through the shared kitchen networks. Correct. So if you are having a one brand maybe in Mumbai, right, so from Mumbai, if you want to expand in the different suburbs of Mumbai, correct, it is easily possible, right, because you will straight away drive your brand to the new location, with a very less capital, correct, and thereby going into new location, that is new business acquisition, right, and generating profits, revenues from there. So that makes immense sense since you are altogether acquiring a new market. Got it, guys? So capital less expenditure, it's very important point, correct. Third, which the immense benefit you get, right, you acquire a altogether new market which you are never thought in your dreams, like you would expand your brand to this location, right, because you all know, right, to expand a restaurant from altogether one location to another, it's a huge capital intensive. But using the shared kitchen networks, right, you all guys can expand to a newer location very quickly and acquire that delivery market over there, right, and thereby increase your profitability. Understood? Makes sense, right? Fourth, which again major point comes up in this today's economic scenario, right, you work with a very negligible low cost manpower. You don't require so much of manpower to operate your brand through the shared kitchen networks, since you are sharing it, right, your other overheads like utilities, your cleanings, correct, right, so all these things get shared. Your even your delivery boys get shared between the restaurant, different brand restaurants owners, so automatically that cost and everything comes down drastically. So automatically you are operating with very less labor cost and very less labors. You don't require so many people to run the show. You can operate with hardly 3 to 4 people team maximum, right, and you can do a brilliant business over there, correct, with this minimalistic labor cost. And that's a great opportunity, because to, you know how difficult, right, it is to get the manpower, right, rather than procuring it, right, and increasing the cost on the business, right, you can optimize that manpower by using it in a shared kitchen space, right, and thereby using him in multiple ways, right, and your cost comes down drastically, because the same manpower can help you run 2-3 brands in the online network through the shared kitchen spaces, and cost comes more down. Understood? So that's the profitability. Got it? Fifth point, which I think everyone is interested these days, right, through shared kitchen network, guys, you attain high profitability, right, because see, in restaurant overheads are there, right, in any businesses, right, and if you know how to reduce that overheads, right, which is possible through shared kitchen network spaces, right, obviously the profitability will get increased. Got it? And through shared kitchen network, it is possible, right, you reduce your overheads drastically through this co-sharing and working together model, right. So ultimately business get booms ups, right, you attain your goals, you attain your vision, right, with a very less cost, right, and ultimately at the end of the month gaining high profit margins. So it make huge business sense, right, to use this shared kitchen models, shared kitchen networks, right, to the fullest, and make sure that these are the best business opportunities, right, where you can collaborate, right, work together and grow, because future is all about working in collaboration, right. Shared economy is going to grow tremendously, correct. So it make very wise move for a restaurant brands who owns brands, right, in 2-3 different location, do the expansion through shared kitchen networks, because by that means you will save on the capital cost, you save on your labor cost, you save on your overheads, right? You attain your high profitability, you achieve, right, new market acquisitions in very minimalistic cost, right, and gain huge market share, right? Volumes speaks. You are able to achieve the volumes through this opportunity. Makes sense, correct? So I hope my quick conversations was very helpful to you all guys to understand what is this, how the restaurants can benefit through the shared kitchen networks, right? I would advise you all guys, right, okay, you can share this video to the maximum people, maximum restaurateurs, right, so they understand this model, right, and they can also come back to us, right, because even we have the peoples, right, where we can associate them to the right people, right, to get them the shared kitchen benefits, correct? So, and grow, because we feel if you share and someone people get benefit, that make immense sense, correct? So this was about that, right? If you want, right, any other more topics to learn from the experts, you can definitely tell us in the comment box, right? And quickly to give you the summary, right, of our next video, which would be again very much exciting, right? We would be giving you the few tips, right, how you can reopen your restaurant business, right, post this COVID-19, right, pandemic. What are the protocols you should follow, right? How you should control the things, how you can reorganize the things, how you can tweak your menus. So that would be covered in the next video, so stay tuned till that comes up, right? Any other further more details you want to, you can anywhere come back to us, right? Speak to our team, take an appointment. We would be happy to consult to you, right, to make your restaurant brand progress, right, in a correct way through a right business planning and strategies, correct? So make you all guys grow in the field of this hospitality and restaurant, which is the future of India, correct? So that's it for the today. Great evening, right? Have a very pleasant evening. Thank you.